J2E applications. We can see here this is a J2E server, right? Inside of it, there's a web container and an EJB container. And after the J2E server, there's a database. So this is application layer, this is a database layer, and this is a client layer, right? The client will use a browser to access J2E applications. Now, servlet and the JSP are deployed inside of the web container. EJBs are just deployed inside of the EJB container. Now read this slide carefully to understand the architecture of a J2E applications and what is a web container and what is a EJB container, okay? Still, 2 minutes for you. J2E deployment. JAR, I think everyone knows JAR. This is just a package to encapsulate all the Java applications, right? WAR, Web Archive. Serverless JSP will be encapsulated into a WAR package. EAR, Enterprise Archive, contains other jars and WARs to form an entire applications, and then deployment descriptors. This is the XML just to describe whatever already encapsulated inside of this package. Okay, we use the XML to describe them. Okay, to understand it, to read this slide for 1 minute to understand what is a jar, WAR, EAR, and this deployment descriptor. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. J2E servers. Application server, we have a for the merchants, we have a WebLogic, IBM WebSphere, Oracle, AppNet, others. And for the open source, we have a JBoss. Okay, and some listing of a J2E compatible servers in this URL. Okay, and the last one, J2E servers, servlet and JSP servers. Most of the commercial application servers also include servlet and JSP support. Open source one, we have Apache Tomcat. This is a very famous, right? And also Jetty. Jetty is a very light J2E server. And the sounds also listing of a servlet JSP servers for via this URL. Okay. Now we have finished the introduction of this course, and the next session we will introduce some details. Okay, now let's have a break.